Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 370Z Coupe. Power, braking, and overall handling are all features you want in a sports car, and the Nissan 370Z Coupe has them all. The 370Z Coupe provides that driving experience that simply feels so good. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, headlights auto off, mirror memory, backup camera, steering wheel controls, push button start. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.